Hello guys, today we're going to be opening 100 mystery boxes on Hypixel. We'll get straight into it. 100 mystery boxes. So glorious, isn't it? Wait guys. Wait. Ooh. Guys, 20 items, come on. What can I get? So you got ooh, some nice stuff I got there. I'm gonna open 250 items, guys. Oh, this is gonna be a big whopper. Oh my god, you see all that? Nearly 4 pages full of legendary. I have none left, but that was insane, guys. That was proper insane. So, recently, just about a few minutes ago, I did a video on 50 loot crates that I opened. Now, I'm gonna equip stuff from those loot crates because I haven't had time yet. Not to comment on that. Getting out Creeper Rudolph, knife skins. Ooh, epic. I'm gonna use the legendary. I'll go back. Animated hat, my favourite. I got the demon eyes. I just love that. Now let's go into last words. What's that? Death count. So I'm gonna keep that. I bought it. So now, projectile trails. Rainbow. My favourite rainbow. Gestures. This is going to be interesting. What legendary gestures do I have? I have none, but I have a hula. The hula skirt. So we're going to get right into a game of infected? But nah. I don't know if I should. Sorry guys, I'll have to go and wait. What do I? I'll just do a game of classic because that'll be a bit quick, and then I'll leave. I want to be murdered. Come on, 6% chance. Now it's gonna be like a 2% chance, but please. I want to murder some people. 4%. There was a 4% chance. Yeah, got a Reaper. Well, it looks like a Reaper, so I'm saying it's a Reaper. Oh no. Come on. Get to my secret hiding spot. They're just after me out there, aren't they? For once, no one's chasing after me. Wait. Look what I found. I'm sticking out a lot. Oh my god, that's creepy. That could have been a real OP glitch. So if I just do like a... You can glitch on top of there if you had a horse or what do it. I think he's AFK. Yeah, he appears to be AFK. Yeah, he appears to be AFK. The first AFK person you see, kill. That was an intense round. Gonna have to go.